Well, I got a little bit of an update for you today on the new agent sites, so let's get into it. It's your favorite tech trainer, Bren Brewer, and guess what? Testimonials have moved inside of agent sites, and we're going to talk about that today. So when you're in Command, I want you to just go to your very last icon on the bottom here, Consumer, and then click on Edit My Website. Once you're there, it's going to ask if you want to take a tour. You can click on that or explore on my own. And then I wanted to show you guys that there used to be a Testimonials Quick Start button. It's no longer there. So if you're in the process of copying and pasting your testimonials from Google or your MLS or wherever you have testimonials, you're just going to come up here to the very top, click on that plus button, and then find testimonial down here. You can also put it as a favorite. That way it'll show up in your favorites, but then you can click on testimonial and then you can go and put your testimonial in that way and click publish. And that's my update for today, short and quick. Let me know in the comments below if you love this update, and if you didn't know where to find it, now you do. I'll see you next week.